G'day, welcome back to the channel as we continue our journey around Australia. This episode has us leaving Margaret River down on the southwestern part of WA as we make our way towards Albany. It's a journey of about 450 kilometres over the next couple of days. So far we've travelled 81 days and the total trip has been 15,700 kilometres. In this episode we visit the Valley of the Giants treetop walk and we stop at a beautiful little place in Walpole on the water before we make it to Albany, where it's a little bit cooler and we're starting to enjoy that. We really enjoyed the highway as we headed east. Wasn't a lot of traffic, the weather was beautiful and the roads were in really good condition. We've been on a lot of straight roads, so it was good to get some twists and turns in, as well as catching up with some fellow motorbike riders. Just pulled straight out in front.
Yep. We are where?
Pemberton, WA, near the Gloucester tree and a few other things. Big sawmilling area.
Yeah.
Beautiful trees as we came down the road. Beautiful ride. Yeah, beautiful ride down from Margaret River this morning, and we're on our way to, what's the place?
Walpole.
Walpole. Yeah, Walpole.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful spot here though in Pemberton. It's lovely.
Yeah.
And the Gloucester tree's closed, so we can't climb it, which is a shame. That would have been fun.
Yeah.
And there's a couple others, but they're also closed, so I don't know why. But anyway, good coffee and a scone this morning.
Yeah.
Beautiful
Nice
spot.
ride. Yeah.
Lovely little park. Yeah, it's really nice. Check this out.
After a great ride that day, we meandered down the road to the caravan park that we stayed at Walpole. Walpole, by the way, claims to be the most biodiverse place in Australia. Whether that's true or not, I don't know, but there was lots of wildlife, etc. down there. And it's a beautiful little spot right on the river. And then we headed into town after that on our way towards the Valley of the Giants treetop walk.
So, we are at, what is it, Valley of the Giants? Is that what it was called? I actually missed the name of it. Valley of the Giants treetop walk, just outside of Walpole in WA. Walpole? I don't know how to say that either.
Between Walpole and
Denmark.
Denmark.
There you go. So we've just started the tour, self-guided tour. You can just walk all through the treetops. It's a gradual climb up. And they've known to be over 400 years old. There you go.
They
Can be. Red tingles. Oh, it's a eucalyptus.
Well, here we are in the Valley of the Giants outside of Denmark, between Denmark and Walpole. Very quiet. It's in the afternoon, so not many people here. Interesting suspension bridge. The suspension mechanism's underneath, not over the top. Very well done, because you just gradually climb, a bit like up in the Daintree.
It is
Get up
similar,
into the canopy.
but it's not higher.
And it keeps you off the ground and protects everything. And this, other than my grizzle yesterday down at Cape Lewin, I don't mind this. It's a national park, and they've built some infrastructure, and you don't mind paying a fee to maintain this.
Yeah, and we've got a seniors discount.
Yeah, we've got a seniors discount. This is really good.
It's beautiful,
Good stuff.
yes.
Yeah. Opened in 96 or something.
Yes. So we'll just show you a shot up to the next bridge. That way. Getting very high now, and it's very, very wobbly, isn't it? So imagine if there was lots of people on it, it would probably really shake. I don't know. Okay, we've gone from the treetops to the
Ancient walk.
ancient walk on the floor.
And with some 400-year-olds.
Yes, probably in better shape than us. Right, we're not looking for cassowaries, we're looking for quokkas. Apparently there's quokkas here. Let's see if we can find any. Our luck
Amongst the sawgrass.
Yes, our luck at this is not that good. We'll see what we do. Grandma Tingle is thought to be over 400 years old.
We visited the Valley of the Giants in the afternoon, and there wasn't a lot of crowds or anything like that, so we got a pretty good run around both the walkway in the canopy and then the walk around down on the forest floor. Really worth a visit, very informative, and just gets you to appreciate the magnificence of these trees that are several hundred years old.
Good morning.
Morning.
Here we are walking down, what's the name of this road?
Beach road or something.
Sandy Beach Road?
Yep, sounds good.
In Walpole. I'm not sure how you pronounce it.
Walpole.
Walpole. Nice little stay last night, little cabin type thing. It's very quiet, just out of town.
Met a surprise, met a Kiwi couple.
You did, yes.
Yeah, I'll get it wrong, I always get it wrong, Taronga. Yeah, lovely people. Just doing a bit of travel. Like a lot of Kiwis, they've travelled probably more of Australia than Australians have. So they're over here for a few weeks.
Yes.
It's lovely going to chat to them.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice spot right on the water.
Yeah, so we're just
And it's a bit of an estuary because I think there's a couple of rivers coming in and it winds its way out to the ocean. Very pretty place.
Yeah. I think she said 4 rivers actually. Yeah.
Was it? Okay.
Yeah. So we don't know what's at the end of the road. It's a beach maybe, we're not sure. We'll go and find out. Bye.
After a great stay at Walpole and the visit to the Valley of the Giants, we're up again the next morning on our way to Albany via Denmark.
In Denmark.
She likes it. All right.
For our coffee. Morning tea time. Let's have a coffee on our way to Albany. We've just stopped Denmark. It's a hive of activity. It's Bushfire Awareness Day or something. So.
Breath tested.
Oh, we got breath tested. Yeah, Craig got breath tested on the way. Anyway, we're going to go get a coffee. After a great coffee, we are back on the road for the last leg on to Albany.
We finally make it to Albany and we've got our accommodation right on the beach. So next week's episode is all about Albany. We've spent about 3 or 4 days there and we have a good look around at the whaling station and the waterfront as well. There's some great places to walk and run and even try and get out of the wind a little bit. But that's for next week. See you then.